Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be discussing how to create Play Store assets. So Play Store assets are images required by Play Store for uploading your app. Your app image, your app logo, your future image, and then your app screenshot. So I'll be showing you the tools and tricks I use to upload or create these app images and screenshots for free. So first of all, you head onto this website. I use this website. Every website I will be using will be, the link will be added to the bottom of this video. Also, if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, like, and also share. Thank you. So moving on, you head on to this website. You click on legacy version. I prefer the legacy version because it's much more easier and straightforward to use. So here you are. So you can see now we have a feature graphics section there, and also we have a custom. So for your app logo, you click on custom, and you set this to the custom 512, which is the requirement of Play Store 512. The next, you click on this color and drag this here to white to set the color to white. Gradient, you set it to none. You remove any text here. As you can see, we have a blank listing, and you choose your logo. So you choose your logo from wherever your logo is. Let's use this as an example, and then there you have it. You can increase the size by increasing the scale, as you can see, and you can reduce the size by reducing the scale, you can see. So the next thing for you to do is to download this, and then you have it here. There you have it. So this can be uploaded on Play Store as a logo. So the next thing to do is the feature graphics. So you click on feature graphics. So for feature graphics, you can use your logo or maybe a design or whatever of your app, or that talks about your app. So you can choose anything. Let me use something here as an example for feature graphics. So scale it and then click on download. Then you also have this as a feature graphics. Next, we'll talk on how to create this app screenshot. So first, you head onto this website here. I'll add it to the list below. App mockup, I use this. So from here, you click on templates. So you can choose from loads of templates here. You can choose from loads and loads of templates here. So I mostly use this template. So you click on load. So it loads it, as you can see. So all you need to do is to click on the page, click on device, click on add screen, click on all device in column, then you pick a screenshot. I have screenshotted from your mobile device or your emulator. Pick a screenshot, click on open. Let me use a screenshot that you can see an example. Okay, you click on open. As you can see, that's filling the gap. So you do that for all other screens too. Then you update your title. Click here, you can come here, click on the right hand, click here. So you can update your title. You can also change the color as you see fit. Once you are done, you can preview it by clicking this play button here. You can see how your app look like on your Play console after it's been uploaded. You can then click on export. When you click on export, you put the name and you export your screenshot, and there you have it. So if you find this video helpful, once again, kindly like, share, and also subscribe. Thank you.